Hi, I'm Ross from Talent Pronto. Today I'm going to show you how our AI interviewer, Anna, plugs into Ashby. The whole loop runs through your public API. We pull jobs and candidates from Ashby. Anna conducts a structured screening interview, and we write scores, notes, and a full report back to the candidate profile in Ashby. No third-party bridge, no browser extension. Let me walk you through the setup first, and then the live candidate flow. Setup starts in Ashby under Admin Integrations API Keys. The customer creates a new key, names it Talent Pronto, and grants 4 read scopes, jobs, candidates, interviews, and hiring process metadata, plus write access on candidates only. That write scope is what lets us move stages and attach results. Everything else stays read-only. Then they copy the key, and that's the only thing they need from Ashby. Over in Talent Pronto, Ashby is one of our direct integrations, listed right at the top of the ATS picker. The Connect screen repeats the exact steps for getting the key so the customer never has to leave the page to figure it out. They paste the key, we validate it live, and the integration shows it's connected. From here, they can test the connection anytime, and they can pick which email and SMS templates go out automatically when a candidate syncs over. Setup takes about 2 minutes end to end. Once the API integration is set, they click Import from Ashby to list the jobs that are available in Ashby to be brought over to Talent Pronto. I'm going to pick the Senior Robotics Engineer job. Once that's selected, the job description and all of the metadata comes over. You simply have to map the stages of when Anna should pick up this candidate and interview them. So we'll say at the initial screen stage, candidates that pass Anna's interview are going to go to first round. Anyone else failed, we can move to archived. And I'm going to make this job open and click update. It's going to automatically generate questions for the interview. So we'll let this process. Now the job has been created in Talent Pronto. You can see the screening questions that are going to be asked in an interview, and it's ready to go. Next, we applied in Ashby for this job with a candidate named Alan Sellers. The next step is Talent Pronto reaches out to each candidate via text and email to invite them to interview with our AI interviewer, Anna. Whenever the candidate clicks the link, they simply click Use this resume and continue. The resume is pulled from Ashby. The interview starts out, Hi Alan, I'm Anna, excited to chat with you about this role at our company. I'll be asking you some questions. It'll take 5 to 10 minutes. What drew you to apply for this role? After the candidate completes the interview with Anna, over in Ashby, you'll see that the candidate moved to first round. The results are added as a note. There's a link to the full results, which has the full report from Talent Pronto. Including how he scored on each question, his resume, the detailed evaluation for each answer, and that's it.